Hi, I'm Stephen.
Hi, I'm Kayleen, and we are the Canoeacorns.
Alright, this week we're going to talk about bears, wolves, panthers, and alligators. We have a couple bars to review, and you've never had a mango before, so this is going to be the first time trying that. We're also going to take this and turn it into this.
Movie magic.
No, river magic. So you know how we have bears and wolves and panthers and alligators, right? And remember, we've been singing that song about black bears and what to do. Would you like to sing that?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready?
Of course.
Hey bear, don't make it bad. Take a salmon and leave me wetter. Because you peed your pants. Remember to let out a big fart. Then we can start to make it better. Hey bear, don't be afraid. You were made to go out and kill me. The minute you let your claws under my skin, then you begin to make me dinner. And anytime you feel the bear, hey bear, refrain. Don't carry my arm away from my shoulder. For well you know it is a fool who plays it cool by making this world a little less me and you. Na 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 na. Hey bear, don't chase me down. You have found me, now don't eat me. Remember to let out the fart, then you can start to make it better, 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 better. It goes kind of like something like that, right? Well, that was a pretty good song, you know, about what to do if you come across a black bear.
Well, I have a song.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
What's it about?
Brown bears.
It's about brown bears, grizzly bears, the big ones. I'd love to hear it. Are you ready to sing it?
Of course.
All right.
Close your eyes and I'll kill you. Tomorrow they'll miss you. Remember, I'll always kill you.
Well, that seems like a very age-appropriate song. Should we get into trying some of the candy bars?
Of course. Let's get started.
All right. So which one do you want to try first?
Well, I just really want to get done with the pure protein bar because I think, well, actually, I know I'm not going to like that one.
All right.
Pure protein does not sound that good. Just like that.
Smell it?
Smells like chocolate.
Smells like chocolate. So you're actually kind of excited for it.
Well, I hope it tastes like chocolate.
All right. Go ahead and give it a try. All right. So how was that for you? You didn't like it? I didn't think it was too bad. It kind of has a metally aftertaste, but it's not too bad.
It kind of got stuck on my space bar in my mouth.
You mean your throat?
No, my space bar at top, it's still stuck.
Oh.
It's
For your
kinda
braces?
sticky.
I think this is just a generic protein bar. It's actually not too bad. Is there one that you want to try next?
Well, I've tried other kind bars, but I haven't tried that one. But I kind of want to try the Fit Crunch.
The Fit Crunch. All right. So this is probably
Gonna be like my favorite.
all right.
Oh, that looks really good.
It's covered in chocolate and
It's
peanut
really
butter.
big.
Yeah.
Mmm.
All right. So how was that one?
It tastes like peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
And I like the crunch to it.
Yeah, it's got a little crunch to it. It's probably just a candy bar.
Yeah.
All right. And then the last one we have is this kind fruit and nut. You said you've had this one?
Not that one, but I've had another one.
Similar?
I have not had one that has raisins, so.
As I said, I don't think this one has I think it's raspberries, not raisins.
Raisins? You know, like the little packs of raisins that Dad brought to Disney World?
Uh-huh.
I think that's what they are.
Some of that is not too bad. It's kind of nutty. It's kind of better than I thought it was going to be. All three of these, I would be happy to take along. You know, midday, doing a paddle.
I mean, the protein bar tastes good. I just don't know if it's okay for my braces because it's like sticking all over the place.
Yeah, that may not be the best option. The kind fruit and nut may not be the best option because you also have the braces.
And that's not on my list. But
Yeah.
we kind of broke the rules.
And then there's the Fit Crunch, which also has nuts in it. Essentially, you can't eat anything.
I mean, the other bar that we had in our previous video.
And then today, we got a mango.
We just grabbed like a random mango from the grocery store.
It's not a random mango, but
Just like, hey, let's get a mango and put it on YouTube.
well, you said you've never had one before.
Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna be able to take it on the boat, or if
Yeah.
it's even gonna be able to come along, or even stay good. Pretty hard to get out, it looks like.
All right,
Oh.
let me change this camera. So first time trying a mango. What does it smell like?
I don't know, it smells kind of like an orange.
Yeah, this is sweet.
And sour.
Yeah,
It
get a
smells
bite.
sour. I didn't even taste it.
What do you mean you didn't taste it? You.
It's really good.
Yeah. They put it in a lot of things.
Mhm.
So
But when you start getting deeper, it's kind of more sour.
yeah, I mean as you get closer to the tail.
Yeah.
So mangoes are now on your list of fruits that
Yes, they are. And we still need grapes. We still need grapes from the store. That's what we did, grab grapes. But we didn't get a bingo.
and you liked it.
And I liked it.
All right.
Come
It's live. So, can you explain to me what we're going to do with this long piece of bamboo.
We are going to cut it, and we are going to make a pan flute and wrap it up with a bungee cord.
So there's these little notches, and I'm gonna mark on the back here and here with that pin, and then you're going to
Slice it where you cut.
and then we're gonna organize it based off of
Size.
so it can produce different tones. Alright, well that's the end of our video. I'm Stefan.
I'm Caitlin.
Were you gonna say hello? This is the end of the video.
Well, you said hi, I'm Stefan.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Caitlin.
Alright, well I'm Stefan.
I'm Caitlin.
And that's the end of our video.
Oh, one other thing. If you're not presuming, then a unicorn will never get it sworn. So get your own. Bye, guys.